Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this product. Doesn't look like much, but once you open it up, it's a lot. And this product, this is a portable, wireless, folding, rechargeable, backlit, full-size keyboard and mouse from Samsers. Really cool product. A lot of great features. I'm going to talk about all of them today. It does come with a carrying pouch that you can put all this in. Also comes with a little stand you can use in case you're using this with your phone or a iPad or a tablet or something like that. But let's talk about the product. You can see it folds up and goes in the little case, and then when you need to use it, it folds out. This back part is like a sort of a faux leather that slides out to cover the entire back so that it doesn't slide around when you sit it on something. It grips and won't slide around on you, which is great. One of the things that I love the most, full-size keys. These are the same size as your standard laptop keyboard. Full-size keys, so a lot of times portable foldable keyboards are also small, and because they're smaller, it's hard to type well on them. Not this, because you got full-size keys. These keys use the sort of butterfly technique for the keys, so work really well, very comfortable, easy to type with. Now besides that, this is also a backlit keyboard. You've got 3 levels of brightness as well as a bunch of different colors you can toggle between. Super easy to switch between the colors to get the color you want and the brightness level you want, or you can turn it off if you're in a situation where you don't want it at all, which is great. Besides that, of course, it is wireless and rechargeable, and it can connect to 3 different wireless connections. One of those is with the included little USB dongle, which is using 2.4 gigahertz to connect, but you also have 2 separate Bluetooth connections. So it's really easy to have this connected to be using different devices, and with a quick tap of the button, you can switch to another device and switch back to another device, which is really awesome, very, very cool. Now, besides that, you do also get this really cool RGB wireless rechargeable mouse. It also has the ability to connect to the 3 different devices, and then there's just a little button here on the bottom, and you just tap that button to switch again from either the USB dongle that's included, which is also stays hidden here in the bottom of the mouse when not in use. You can also switch to 2 different Bluetooth devices. So really, really great. This also has multiple colors. You can have sort of a rainbow effect, but you can also switch between different solid colors, and then there's several different multicolor modes, or you can turn it off because there might be situations where you don't want those lights flashing while you're using it, and they thought of that. So it's really easy to turn off, and the mouse itself, just as a mouse, very comfortable in the hand. It's like the perfect size, not too big, not too small, very comfortable to use left or right-handed. It has the scroll wheel, so everything that you're going to want or need in a mouse, you're going to get in this mouse, and it has really great easy connection. Now I use this keyboard and this mouse with my tablet. I've used it with my phone. I used it kind of with both, going back and forth just to see how quick and easy it would be to do that. So like I'm researching information on my tablet, kind of on a stand, using it like a computer, and with it on a stand and then with the keyboard and the mouse, it is basically like a computer. But then I wanted to type notes from what I was looking at into my phone, so I had my phone on another stand, and it was easy to just switch the keyboard back and forth between the iPad and the phone without any problem. The mouse also works great. Again, very comfortable in the hand, just precision is great. Everything about it is excellent. This is a really great product from Samsers. Again, the fact that it is a full-size keyboard, so you're not going to have any issues with typing the way you do sometimes with portable keyboards that are where it's a different size than a normal keyboard. You've got the backlit keys, and again, 3 levels of brightness, bunches of different colors to choose from, and very easy to toggle between them all. And you've got those 3 wireless connections, the one using the included USB dongle, and then the 2 additional Bluetooth, wireless rechargeable. And then, of course, you also have the mouse, which works great as well. You have the carrying case that it comes with to put it all in, so that you can easily take it with you when you're on the go. So a really excellent product if you are looking for a foldable, rechargeable wireless keyboard, or even just a backlit keyboard to just use at home most of the time, but to have the bonus option to fold it up and take it with you when you want. Then this foldable, rechargeable, backlit wireless keyboard along with the rechargeable wireless mouse from Samsers is definitely a product set that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those are down there. If you have any questions about the product, then just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.